Are you having heavy menstrual periods? The following are possible causes of heavy menstrual period. 1. Adenomyosis. This is the presence of the lining of the uterus in the muscle substance of the uterus. Endometriosis. Endometriosis, presence of trying tissue in other parts of the body. These two may lead to some hormonal changes which may be responsible for irregular periods. Other causes of irregular periods include uterine fibroids, uterine polyps, endometrial cancer, pelvic inflammatory disease, polycystic ovarian syndrome, and some blood disorders like a bleeding problem. These are possible causes of heavy menstrual bleeding.